Dito yung starting namin, Chick Peak County Trail. Nasa bungad pa lang, hagdan na. Another hagdan na naman. Section, West Dog dyan. Dito kami dito sa middle. Dadaan. Kasi, go wild kami. O diba, nag-bushwalking kami. Tingnan nyo yung paligid namin, oh. Oh, diba? Tingnan ang view. Ang ganda. Super kaganda. Hi there, West Dog. Hindi kita inakyat kasi sabi nila difficult ka daw. So, difficult ka pa dito! Here we go. Middle Kaungaling. Look at that! Oh, another bushwalking kami. Ang daanan ito, oy. Ala! Grabe ang bushwalking. Hindi na pala. Sa layo pa namin. Papunta pa kami doon. Reach the sky. Na na na. I'm alive. We're heading to Lantau Peak. Reach the sky. I'm alive. Ah, diba? Nasa cliff na ako. Let's go. All right, we reached here. We're not yet done. We're going on top. Whew. That was extreme. Probably. Really so amazing. Look at that. Oh, still going there. Over there. That's the Lantau Peak there. Oh. Second check-in for 3 hours. Mawala na ang lahat. Wag lang ang kape. O, diba? May kape ka. Bahala na ma-dehydrate ka. We're heading down to Pakong Ao. Yun. Oo, Pakong Ao. Then, my other check-in doon, 443 meters lang siya. From 964. Oh, diba? Grabe yung descending namin. Pero, it's very good trail naman dito. Okay, alright. Bye! Good luck to us! Ganda ng view ng airport. Heading kami towards Sunset Peak, oh. Tingnan natin. Nasa ending point na kami ng Lantau. Papunta kami, planning kami punta ng Sunset Peak. Oh, pero wala kaming tubig. Yung buong araw ka sa bundok. Pero may tubig dito. Lord, thank you so much. Uhaw ka na. Akala mo nagwo-work pero hindi nagwo-work. Tulad ng relasyon nila. Sige ay punta na lang ako ng Sunset Peak kahit walang tubig.